So the reveal day is finally here. We're about to unveil this car to Autobarn, but before that, let's take a look back to where it all started. So I'm here at Autobarn. I'm about to unveil the concept renders for the VK that we're building together. I'll just do the reveal.
I'm so excited. Well done.
We've got a good old 5-litre V8, very tired. It runs not very well at all.
You qualified to use one of them? Just take all the bolts out?
You mean these ones? These bolts?
Yeah, the ones on the outside there, you might need to do them too.
Nice.
Yum!
You don't have to be a contortionist to do this job, but it helps sometimes. The joys of the things you find in old cars. Thanks, Rick.
Hey, you gonna pay for that?
Favourite tool in the workshop. I think I've had this for 20 years. It's good to go now. Well timed.
We have a slight little problem here. Perfect.
I love this. Oh, I love this stuff. Point and shoot. Comforting. I can just have a snooze. Just wrapped up in my car, but just put your hood up.
So that's it. We've built the Autobarn 40th anniversary VK Commodore. What a legend of a build. Thank you for coming along for the ride.
Oh wow, it just blew my mind. Amazing, amazing.
Oh, just amazing. I mean, it's all come to life now, so to see it in the flesh, really incredible. Actually quite emotional, I guess. You know, our customers, our rewards members will really get behind this.
I'm going to sit there and relax with you on the next one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So it's beer o'clock?
Yep.
All right, let's go.